This is a seal stretch, and I would hold it for 30 seconds, and every 10 seconds, work on bringing your chest higher. Keeping your legs straight, see how far down you can bring your hands. Now, I don't have the most flexible back, but I can tell you that from doing these basic stretches every other day, my back flexibility has come a long way. If you don't have your back bend, then do this stretch and you will slowly build that back strength and flexibility you need to do it. If you do have your back bend, still do this stretch because it stretches your lower back a lot. Push your chest towards the wall and have your feet push up to feel that stretch. You should go on your elbows only if you feel that the back bend is too easy. And for all of these stretches, I recommend holding it for like 5 to 10 seconds each. I feel the most stretched in my back after this one. I wasn't able to, but if you can, go down on your elbows and lay there for 5 to 10 seconds.